Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's mathematics lesson. Our topic is counting and sequences. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to count on and back in steps of tens, hundreds, and thousands from any number. Count back through zero to include negative numbers, like -2. Recognize linear sequences and nonlinear sequences. Extend sequences and describe the term-to-term rule. Recognize and extend patterns that represent square numbers. Introduction. Let's begin by reminding ourselves. Counting is not just about saying numbers in order. It can also mean going forwards and backwards in steps. For example, if I start at 30 and count back in steps of 10, I get 30, 20, 10, 0, -10, -20, -30. Notice how we've now crossed into negative numbers. In real life, we see negative numbers in temperatures. For example, around Antarctica, temperatures can be as low as -30 degrees Celsius. Worked example. 1. Let's look at our first worked example. Carlos writes a number sequence. The first term in his sequence is 8. He uses the rule subtract 2 to work out the next term. So, starting at 8, we subtract 2 each time. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. The question asks, what is the fifth term? The fifth term is 0. So here the rule is clear. Subtract 2 each time. That's called the term-to-term rule. Worked example 2. Now let's try another one. The numbers in this sequence increase by 50 each time. 60, 110, 160, 210, 260, and so on. The question asks, what is the first number greater than 1,000 that is in the sequence? If you look carefully, every number ends in either 10 or 60. So the first number greater than 1,000 must also end with 10 or 60. The answer is 1010. This shows us how recognizing patterns makes solving sequences easier. Exercise 1.1. Now it's your turn. Let's try some practice together. Mia counts on in steps of 100. She starts at 946. What is the next number, she says. Kofi counts back in steps of 100. He starts at 1048. What is the next number, he says. Bibi counts on in steps of 1000. She starts at 1989. What is the next number, she says. Pierre counts back in steps of 1000. He starts at 9999. What is the next number, he says. Tara counts back in ones. She counts 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the next number, she says. Pause the video or audio and try each of these on your own. Summary. Today we have learned how to count forwards and backwards in steps, work with negative numbers, recognize patterns in sequences, use the term-to-term rule to extend a sequence. In our next lesson, we'll go further into recognizing square numbers and exploring nonlinear sequences. Great work today, everyone. Keep practicing counting forwards and backwards. It's the foundation for all sequence work in mathematics.